buddy Preston. Hi, Preston.
What's up?
He bought an ST, and the first thing we're gonna do to it is put a green filter on it.
So to make some pretty cool noises.
It's supposed to enhance your noises made while putting down some bald eagles. Ooh, one more. All right, so you got 4 bolts. You got the 1, you got 2, you got 3 kind of down there. It's kind of hard to see, not good lighting. There it is. And you got 4 where he's at now. Your factory air filter, factory with all sorts of good stuff in there. That's gnarly. So how's this thing in there? Is it just pressed in?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, well, let me let's pop it out the backside there. And
Yeah.
Nice. So let's get rid of that one and start her up. No. Pop that bad boy open there.
A bag of chips. Yeah, let's get the weight room.
And install done, just like that. Except there's a clamp in there that we get to tighten down too. Makes a lot more noise. Wow.
I'm a fan. That sounds pretty good.
That's pretty gnarly.
Not bad for 60 bucks.
That's not bad at all. That's crazy that a filter makes that big a difference.
Yeah. Who needs a $200 blow-up though?
Right?
Get a $60 vegan air filter.
Oh shit. We're just gonna sit in your driveway home now.
Doesn't make sense.
It's just the Jeep.